just going out to do records and I'll take photos, videos for you. Wait.
It's the right place, surely. I'm assuming. Is there only one sand dune thing for now? I don't know. That part there, done.
Yeah, that's a sand dune.
That's a sand dune, right? I'm a beast, Parker.
Can we just walk over the... No, but that looks like there could be snakes in there. Our upcoming campaign, we're shooting on sand dunes. Jesus Christ, Jamie. We're shooting on sand dunes.
We're trying to.
Oh, trying to find the sand dunes first, but that's the goal. So we're out in Cronulla, doing a bit of a recce, trying to figure out if
these are the actual sand dunes. I'm assuming they are, and I'm hoping there's more to it than what I'm looking at.
This feels small.
I think maybe the other side of it. Do you reckon, like in front? Do you know what I mean?
So much walking.
Like, not so people like to put us to do this, and we're actually the most accident-prone people.
If you look at the facts and the statistics,
we should not be doing this.
No, not alone, not unsupervised.
Not unsupervised.
But alas, you still got a whole shoot to shoot. Ah! That was just a bee.
Unless this is where she runs, but it doesn't look like it. Okay, so you actually have to walk for 14 minutes to get there.
14?
14.
Okay, I thought it was 30. So
yeah, no, I got it wrong. Sorry.
Okay, well,
my bad.
That makes me feel lighter. I'm still sweating though. Why is there a hill? Oh, butterfly.
We have to get the clothes through here. That's I think we need a helicopter, Don.
I wore the wrong shoes for this.
I have no sock. Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, it's still going. Look at that water. But no, the dune. I think it works.
Yeah, I'm thinking if we shoot like on the the horizon-ish part of it, and then like further down, and then you still get the dunes. You don't get like the green background. Okay, let's get more.
Yep.
Great success.
Absolute great
We
success.
found it.
We think this is it. We think we're going to shoot here now. Just hope we get back to the car.
And let's got some water.
Maybe buy a new top and get to work.
Fuck, where are my keys? What if... when I was rolling on...
No, Jamie, no, you're kidding.
Kidding.
Oh my god.
Got you.
I was not amused in the slightest, babe.
You were like, I'll wait down there.
I'll keep the car safe.
Can you imagine?
I can, I could, I did.
Yeah.
We're doing some more style decom for out of service in this brand new little backdrop that Jamie just got for us.
Shooting out of service, and I really like the brown set with like the quarter length shorts and the bralette. It's my favorite.
So you're a prop just to...
Yeah, which is fine.
That looks better.
Yeah, cute. Lean a little bit further in. Yeah,
So what are we shooting today? That's wait, hold on.
Out of service. Back and looks like the... Yeah, okay. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay.
Welcome to my channel. This is just the show about me.
Guys, stop filming me. Seriously, you're not going to get any good footage. It's a towel.
What's happening, Hannah?
We're trying to match the lighting to our thing yesterday, to Angie today.
I like the bandeau and the tights. They're like elite in the earth colour. Yeah, no worries.
It's 6:40. We're preparing for our out of service collection photo shoot on sand dunes today, and the weather is looking a bit touch and go. So we'll see. It's pretty good.
It's great. It looks like we're... Oh, this is live.
This is live.
I thought you showing me a video. Sorry, Joy. It's the awkwardest thing. Like, this is What do you call this thing?
FaceTime?
We're on FaceTime right now, and I thought it was a video. Is it super windy?
It's very windy.
Yeah. We just need like one big grass area. I'm sorry, one big sand area that doesn't have a lot of grass around. So that section there.
Yeah.
That'll do.
That was the area I think that James and I went to.
That's it. That's all we need.
Okay, that works then.
All right, we can do this.
Yay.
Yeah, love it. All right, cool.
Thanks, Jordy.
See ya, George.
Okay, I'll call you in a sec.
Because we got to try and not get the green. Green is that's probably the hardest.
From last time when I went with James, it was. I think we will be fine.
Nice.
Yeah, there's like a really big open space once you walk into the middle of it.
Don't overcook it. You just need 12 good shots, 2 hours, I'd say.
Gotcha. Easy.
Yeah. All right, guys.
How's it?
Cool. Have fun.
Are you doing like heaps of formals? Yeah, all the formal girls are so cute.
So Jordan went to the sand dunes and she checked out the sand, which is relatively dry, and the sky is clearing up. So looks like we're back to normal schedule.
I told you!
She's doing a bit more bronzer.
Yeah, Rosalie also needs a bit more bronzer.
We'll get that, we'll take a photo, and then we can tell.
Case is coming down.
Oh, okay, great. And then we can leave.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Just like try and blend up a little bit, if we can. And
Like
then,
blended in the hairline?
Yeah, just a tiny little bit. I'll get you to put these on when you can.
Oh, that's so cute.
Legit.
Love them.
I was gonna get them for my seconds.
Don't worry, I know. But I attract a lot of Geminis. Ooh, how's that combo?
We're on the way to the sand dunes.
Some areas, Amare. Have you heard of Amare?
I have not.
Yes.
Oh
yeah,
my
put
God.
Amare.
Hey.
Are we doing doubles?
Yeah, we'll go with the two of you together first, and I'll bring the little mood board so we can look at some posing. But I'll guide you guys as we go anyway. And then, yeah, take some quick shots, and we'll do some video as well.
Stunning! Gorgeous, stunning. Stunning. Just scrunch your socks.
We're going to start with some shots of them together and looking some confused, just out of service. Where the hell are we? Kind of situation shots.
Do you want mine? I might be.
Excellent. We just need to make sure we don't get those massive power lines in there. Oh.
There's no service.
What are we gonna?
Let's start just over here. So maybe can I get your? Yeah, perfect. We are wanting to have the girls kind of like lost in the desert vibes, completely out of service, looking confused, trying to find their way back, looking on a map.
And taking video on a digital camera, just so we can have a different vibe, just different content. Yeah.
So me and Belle are making sure everything is intact, and we are getting the outfits ready for the next change.
Yes, George.
I've never run so much in my life. Stunning. Okay, and now can you guys do the Molly, you're looking for service, Rosaline, come to the front and like you're looking for humans?
Today on set, I'm shooting video content for socials and TikTok. Doing new TikToks, doing a little bit behind the scenes, and just assisting Ori overall.
How's the two?
Was the first one better?
It was, but I'm glad we have the two. Okay. So we've covered every colour. Now we just keep going. I think we're doing mix and match. Yeah, exciting.
14 live from Cronulla. It's going really great.
Excellent. Does it feel like we're in the middle of nowhere?
It does. It feels like I'm not in Sydney. I'm in Dubai. Yeah. Living my best life.
So what's it like filling in for Jamie today?
Stressful, but good. Lots of summer work into all the campaigns and styling and stuff, so it's a nice little switcheroo when it comes to, it's not my normal job, but it's super fun. And you learn new things, so can't complain.
What have you learned today in the role?
You just learn about like when it comes to like how she's styling things and colour matching and like certain tops with certain pants and things like that. And you learn more about the collection as well, like learning on shoot. You realise how versatile the collection is. And yeah, I'm just planning my future outfits really.
The bulldogs are behind me. Oh, actually, wait, we need to pull down the front of it.
Cute.
Sweet. I think we got it. Yay! That's a wrap.
This morning started off shit because it was raining, so we thought we'd have to cancel. So we found a backup option, but then it ended up clearing up, and now it's perfect. So it was actually really good. It all worked out in the end. It always actually does kind of work out.
Yeah, something always happens.
Yeah. Out of service drops on Friday the 1st of December.